Happy New Year from the toys! Yay! All this year's. And these are the toys who are now going to be featured in this year. Mostly the Club Penguin toys. Looks good. More light. Wait, more like him. Well, since you can't see him, okay, you can see all these penguins, right? Well, those penguins are including Giraffe, Nano, Legos, so much, even Bionicles, Mystery Bionicles. Okay, so we start. Everybody, take their places. I'm going to start by showing out. Here is my toy called Green Bionicle. He is good, but not good without his brother. So yeah, this is episode 1, part 2 of New Year's. Yep, this was made on New Year's Eve. And right now it is 10:55 and it's almost time. Okay? And it's going to be 2012. And please, just to notify you, I'm going to make a website to inform you about cheats, okay? So please join that. You'll see a link below sometime. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Please watch it anyways. Please don't dislike and please comment me, because I am open to any ideas. Okay? Mondays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Maybe I'll put some extra wild. Okay? Bye!